So, welcome to the series 3 of the review material as you prepare for the upcoming licensure examination for agriculture. So, ito nga yung video ng follow-up ng first mock exam, and meron siyang audio, and the questions that are included in this presentation are just focused on the following: the introduction and origin of soil, soil formation as affected by climate, living organisms, relief, parent materials, which includes kinds of rocks and time, soil weathering process, and the three physical properties of the soil, particularly texture, structure, and color. So please prepare your pen and paper. You choose your place and time where you can concentrate. And remember that your scores are not yet important. The most important thing is that you understand the concept and the reason why the answer is like that. So I wish you all the best.
Question 101. Basalt weathers more easily than granite. This difference being explained most readily by the difference in A. Mineralogy, B. Texture, C. Both A and B, D. Color. The correct answer is C. Both A and B, mineralogy and texture. 102. The chemical element in dolomite that is not an important constituent of calcite is A. Magnesium, B. Calcium, C. Carbon, D. Oxygen. The correct answer is A. Magnesium. 103. The primary mineral most likely to accumulate at the site of chemical weathering of granite is A. Mica, B. Muscovite, C. Quartz, D. Clay. The correct answer is C. Quartz. Question 104. Soil textural classes are defined in terms of ranges in variation in A. Structure, B. Weathering, C. Texture, D. Drainage. The correct answer is C. Texture. 105. The sedimentary rock that contains clay minerals as one of its most important constituent is A. Shale, B. Limestone, C. Sandstone, D. Slate. The correct answer is A. Shale. Question 106. A parent material that often has the same origin as loose, but it separated from loose by the action of wind is A. Colluvium, B. Volcanic ash, C. Dune sand, and D. Lahar. The correct answer is C. Dune sand. Question 107. Bacteria belong to this factor of soil formation: A. Relief, B. Living organism, C. Climate, D. Parent material. The correct answer is B. Living organism. 108. Basic properties described in a soil profile includes A. Texture, bulk density, consistency, B. CEC, which is cation exchange capacity, organic matter content, base saturation, bulk density, C. Color, texture, stoniness, structure, D. Plasticity, structure. The correct answer is C. Color, texture, stoniness, structure. 109. The mineral supplying phosphorus is A. Feldspar, B. Apatite, C. Talc, D. Pyrite. The correct answer is B. Apatite. 110. Tourmaline supplies the element A. Manganese, B. Boron, C. Calcium, D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is B. Boron. 111. The basic elements lost in weathering are A. Iron, aluminum, B. Calcium, magnesium, C. Zinc, manganese, D. Carbon, hydrogen. The correct answer is B. Calcium, magnesium. 112. The most abundant elements in Earth's crust: A. Iron, aluminum, manganese, nitrogen, phosphorus, B. Oxygen, silicon, aluminum, iron, calcium, C. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, D. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus. The correct answer is B. Oxygen, silicon, aluminum, iron, calcium. 113. The hardest mineral is A. Diamond, B. Talc, C. Quartz, D. Apatite. The correct answer is A. Diamond. 114. The softest mineral is A. Diamond, B. Talc, C. Quartz, D. Apatite. The correct answer is B. Talc, yung pulbos. 115. This is not an element of climate. A. Relief, B. Precipitation, C. Temperature, D. Sunshine. The correct answer is A. Relief. 116. Parent material deposited in lakes is A. Alluvium, B. Lacustrine, C. Marine, D. Tuff. The correct answer is B. Lacustrine. 117. The acidity of rainwater is largely due to the gas A. Carbon dioxide, B. Nitrate, C. Sulfate, D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is A. Carbon dioxide. 118. It is an indicator of biological activity in the soil. A. Soil structure, B. Soil respiration, C. Soil fertility, D. Soil oxidation. The correct answer is B. Soil respiration. 119. It imparts a yellowish color to soil. A. Lepidocrite, B. Goethite, C. Hematite, and D. Humus. The correct answer is B. Goethite. 120. Resistance of minerals to abrasion is A. Luster, B. Specific gravity, C. Hardness, D. Cleavage. The correct answer is C. Hardness. 121. Soil texture can be described effectively in the field is field A. Touch method, B. Pinch method, C. Hydrometer, D. Feel and roll method. The correct answer is D. Feel and roll method. 122. A textural class consisting of a mixture of equal amounts of sand, silt, and clay. A. Sandy soil. B. Clayey soil. C. Silty soil. D. Loamy soil. The correct answer is D. Loamy soil. 123. The relative distribution of soil separates in a soil mass is called soil texture. A. Sand, silt, and clay are soil separates. B. Soil texture changes easily with poor methods of cultivation. C. Soil texture is improved by adding organic fertilizer. D. None of the above. E. All of the above. The correct answer is A. Sand, silt, and clay are soil separates. 124. Soil texture refers to the coarseness or fineness of a soil. A. Sand is gritty. B. Silt is sticky and plastic. C. Clay is smooth. D. None of the above. E. All of the above. The correct answer is A. Sand is gritty. 125. Soil texture refers to the coarseness or fineness of a soil. A. Sand is coarse and gritty. B. Silt is powdery and smooth. C. Clay is sticky and plastic. D. None of the above. E. All of the above. The correct answer is E. All of the above. 126. Many soil properties and characteristics are affected by soil texture. A. Sandy soil is more porous than clay soil. B. Loamy soil are rich in silt. C. Clay soil is chemically more reactive than sandy soil. D. None of the above. And E. All of the above. The correct answer is clay soil is chemically more reactive than sandy soil. 127. A soil consists of the three components, namely solid, liquid, and gas. A. The solid is composed of inorganic matter and organic matter. B. The liquid is a solution with dissolved ions in it. C. The gas component is about 80% nitrogen gas. D. None of the above. And E. All of the above. The correct answer is E. All of the above. 128. Which soil property is not influenced by organic matter? A. Bulk density. B. Texture. C. Structure. D. Color. The correct answer is B. Texture. 129. At the same level of organic matter, which will have the highest water holding capacity? Loamy sand. A. Loamy sand. B. Clay loam. C. Clay. D. Sandy loam. The correct answer is C. Clay. 130. The capability of the soil being molded by hand is A. Thickness. B. Plasticity. C. Tilt. D. Cracking. The correct answer is B. Plasticity. 131. If a ring without crack is found in the roll method of determining texture, the texture is most likely A. Loamy sand. B. Clay loam. C. Clay. D. Sandy loam. The correct answer is C. Clay. 132. A soil consists of three components, namely solid, liquid, and gas. A. The solid is composed of inorganic matter. B. The liquid is a solution with dissolved ions in it. C. The gas is 80% nitrogen gas. D. None of the above. E. All of the above. The correct answer is B. The liquid is a solution with dissolved ions in it. 133. A soil consists of three components, namely solid, liquid, and gas. The solid is composed of inorganic matter and organic matter. B. The liquid is a pure water. C. The gas is 80% oxygen gas. B. None of the above. E. All of the above. The correct answer is A. The solid is composed of inorganic matter and organic matter. 134. Under its natural occurrence, a soil is aggregated and porous. A. An aggregate is composed of millions of individual particles. B. Water and air occupy the pores. C. The pores are interconnected channels to other pores. D. None of the above. And E. All of the above. The correct answer is E. All of the above. 135. The solid particles of a soil vary in composition, size, and shape. A. The soil is composed of inorganic and organic matter. B. The solid is composed of soil separates called sand, silt, and clay. C. The solids stick or cluster together to form soil aggregate. D. None of the above. E. All of the above. The correct answer is E. All of the above. 136. The inorganic solid particles vary in size, which are classified as soil separates. A. The size range of soil particles is equal to or less than 5 mm. B. Sand is medium-sized soil separate. C. Clay is the smallest or the finest soil separate. D. None of the above. E. All of the above. The correct answer is C. Clay is the smallest or the finest soil separate. 137. In relation to crop production, sandy soils are known to be A. Droughty. B. Easy to be cultivated. C. Easy to drain. D. None of the above. E. All of the above. The correct answer is E. All of the above. 138. In relation to crop production, clayey soils are known to be A. Sticky to cultivate. B. Fertile than sand. C. High water holding capacity than sand. D. None of the above. E. All of the above. The correct answer is E. All of the above. 139. Many soil properties and characteristics are affected by soil texture. A. Clayey soils are more porous than sandy soil. B. Silt texture is associated to poor good physical properties. C. Sandy soil is chemically more reactive than clay soil. D. None of the above. E. All of the above. The correct answer is A. Clay soils are more porous than sandy soil. 140. Soil texture could be determined by A. Feel method, B. Pipette method, C. Hydrometer method, D. None of the above, E. All of the above. The correct answer is E. All of the above. 141. Soil texture could be determined in the laboratory by A. Ammonium acetate method, B. Buoyancy method, C. Hydrometer method, D. None of the above, E. All of the above. The correct answer is C. Hydrometer method. 142. The upper diameter size limit of clay particles is A. 2 mm, B. 0.2 mm, C. 0.02 mm, D. 0.002 mm, E. 0.0002 millimeter. The correct answer is D. 0.002 millimeter. 143. The upper diameter size limit of soil particle is A. 2 mm, B. 0.2 mm, C. 0.02 millimeter, and D. 0.0002 millimeter. The correct answer is C. 0.02 millimeter. 144. The upper diameter size limit of sand particles is A. 2 mm, B. 0.2 mm, C. 0.02 millimeter, D. 0.002 millimeter, and E. 0.0002 millimeter. The correct answer is A. 2 millimeter. 145. Soil texture that would be best for growing lowland rice: A. Sandy loam, B. Silty loam, C. Clay loam, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Clay loam. 146. Soil textural class wherein the coarseness of sand, the smoothness feel of silt, and the stickiness of clay are manifested in almost equal proportion in a soil mass: A. Sand, B. Silt, C. Clay, D. Loam, E. None of the above. The correct answer is D. Loam. 147. The characteristic feel of sand separates when rubbed in between the finger is A. Coarse, B. Smooth, C. Sticky when moist, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Coarse. Gaspang. Question number 148. Characteristic feel of clay separates when rubbed in between the finger is A. Coarse, B. Smooth, C. Sticky when moist, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Sticky when moist. 149. Characteristic of silt separates when rubbed in between the finger is A. Coarse, B. Smooth, C. Sticky when moist, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Smooth. Question 150. The hydrometer and pipette method of mechanical analysis obey the A. Dick's law, B. Freundlich's law, C. Ohm's law, and D. Stokes' law. The correct answer is D. Stokes' law. So how's your scores? I hope you understand the concept and you know what are the reasons behind the answers. Thank you very much for taking this test, and see you again on the next video, which is part 4 of this series. Bye!